All right, so I made this promise to me this morning. I said, if I'm going to sell another 3 policies in a day, I'm going to make this video. I want to share with you the best sales advice that I can give you. The best sales advice that can help you sell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 policies every day. This sales advice cannot be taught in a script. This sales advice cannot be taught by a mentor. This sales advice makes me lethal, that allows me to sell 40, 50 policies every month, putting the time in. I did a calculation, I actually got it sent to me. I make $7.68 every phone call that I make. And it's not because of the systems, it's not because of the tech listeners that go out, it's not because of the marketing that I do. It is because of this one sales tip that I want to give you guys here today. And my goal here is to help you become a sales master, to learn the game of sales. And some people are struggling. Some people are not being able to feed their families. Some people are not making the money that they want. So if you want to know what it takes to sell 40, 55 policies per day, wait to the end. I'm going to give you all the juice. But what I want to share with you is what I just did. So I just helped a lady here this morning, and then I was like, all right, I'm going to make a few more calls here. I made like 97 calls today. I just closed 3 policies. And the guy that I just sold was a his and her policy. And I was able to find areas of angle. I was able to share with them conviction. Everyone that I'm speaking to, everyone that you're selling to is looking for life insurance. If they fill out a form, putting their first name, their last name, who their beneficiary is, do they have coverage, what type of health conditions do they have, what is their favorite color? If they are intent or looking for insurance, they are looking for an agent to sell them. When it comes down to life insurance or selling or being the best at sales, you need to understand that these people are not going to go out there and willingly just fill out or buy life insurance. This is the job of you, and this is why those who can communicate value, who can do this one thing that I'm going to share with you, will get paid handsomely and can help you make $20, $30, $40, $50,000 on your own pen. I sell $30,000 to $40,000 worth of final expense life insurance every month doing this part-time, and I want to share with you exactly why. The one sales skill that you are going to use, that you are going to master, that's going to change your business, that's going to make your most amount of money and actually allow you to thrive in this business is conviction. How good is your product? How much do you believe in you? Do you believe that your product is the best? Do you believe that you are going to serve everyone else like the best agent in the whole America, whatever it is? If you do you think that you can be the hands and feet or the vehicle of service that you can love on, that you can respond to, that you can be there to nurture and guide your client like no one else? And what makes me good, what makes me fired up to sell this product is I believe in this product, and I believe no one can beat me. When I get Stacy on the phone and Stacy's like, I'm shopping around, no worries, Stacy. But the problem is, you know that you can call me, you can text me, I'm gonna reach out to you every month. I have the systems and processes in place to make sure that you are always taken care of. And when you need something, Stacy, I know that you can call me on a Saturday. When you need something, Stacy, you can call me on a Sunday. And when you can do the hard work as an agent, you can actually get them to buy. And you can't get them to buy just because the price is great. When you're selling people who are broke, this is really important advice. People that don't have money will still buy, but they'll buy from you because you communicate the value. One of the coolest things that I've learned about outbound dialing or selling final expense that can help you become a better agent is that you have to learn how to communicate yourself, your value, your trust to people who don't have money. Now, it's easy to sell to rich people. It's easy to sell to people who have full-time jobs. Imagine selling someone's last $20 or $30 that they have in less than a month. This takes pure skill, pure talent, and a ton of conviction. So if you are struggling to make money right now in the life insurance industry, do you believe in your product? Do you believe that you are the best person or sales agent in the whole country? Do you believe that your follow-up, your systems are amazing? Do you believe this product's going to solve their problems? And can you communicate this? The number one sales ingredient to a successful sales individual is not their tonality, it's not the script that they give, it's not what they say, how they say it, objection handling. It is the amount of conviction they have. Write that down. How much conviction? When you're watching this video, am I convicted? I believe that I can make these videos to help you. When I'm speaking to a client who wants to buy life insurance, I believe that there is no one like me to sell on this product. There is no one like me. And the way that you do this is when you get the objections, okay, Johnny, I totally understand. There's no such thing as all these fancy objections or these fancy tonalities or the fancy frameworks. If you don't have conviction, and if this person does not believe that you are who you say you are and you're going to serve them like no one else, they're not going to buy. So when Sharon says, I need to think about it, well, Miss Sharon, let me ask you, do you not like me? Is it the price? Or are you just not sure if you need it? Well, I know I need it. I do like you. It's just the price. So Miss Sharon, let me tell you this. I'm going to be your agent for life. And I don't just mean this. I'm going to be here to serve you for the rest of the time. You can call me, text me, pick up the phone. Are you just not sure if it really fits your budget now, or do you just need a little something, a little bit cheaper? I need a little bit something cheaper. So it's not a matter if you need it, you just need to find something that fits the budget, right? Miss Sharon, what I'm gonna do for you here, let's go ahead and find something cheaper, and then we'll go ahead and move forward. Guys, I just wanna share with you the skill of sales, the art of selling is not the fancy frameworks that you see. It's not all these hype videos of all these people telling you to say this, do this. It's literally coming from a place of love, a place of service, a place of I am an absolute savage. This person is lucky that I called them, that I have the power, that I have the control, I have the processes, and I actually can put them in the best position. So if you don't have the right product, if you don't have the belief, if you don't know what you're selling, it doesn't matter what courses you take, what scripts you take, the one thing that will make you money, that is the $1 million question here, that is gonna help me build something badass, it's gonna help me sell more policies, 3, 4, 5 policies every day, is not my lead flow, not my tonality, it is the way that I say the words. It is how I say the words. It is what I say, and most importantly, how much I believe in myself and in the product. And when my product is at 100%, and my product is knowledge at 100%, and when my belief and conviction are 100%, you'll become unstoppable. And this is why every day, if you don't have systems or reviews or people leaving feedback or telling you thank you or giving them a way to share with you their experience to get this real feedback about your services, how good your product is, how good you are as an individual salesperson, you'll never have the feedback, you'll never have the conviction, and you'll stay a mediocre sales individual. Hope this helps you guys get fired up to sell more policies and make more money. I'm on a mission to help change agents' lives to make more money, and it comes from the heart, it comes from training, and it comes from the best sales tactical and trick that you're gonna find on the internet when it comes down to selling final expense or insurance. It is number one, conviction. Cheers.